Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you today?
I'm good, miss.
I'm fine,
I'm
miss.
fine, miss.
I'm so happy for teaching this class today and meeting face-to-face through this virtual meeting. But before we start the lesson, silakan ketua kelas bisa pimpin doa ya.
All right, friends, let's pray before class starts. Please pray according to your respective belief. Okay, finish.
Oke, thank you semuanya. But first, we will check your attendance. Hari Wahini,
Present, miss.
Lydia Delvia,
Present, miss.
Rojunian Dayani.
Present, miss.
Okay, everyone is here, right?
Yes, miss.
In this chapter, we will learn about descriptive text. Siapa yang tahu descriptive text itu apa?
Saya, miss.
Ya, Lydia?
Descriptive text is text created with the aim of explaining, illustrating, or describing something.
Okay, good, Lydia. Okay, I will show you the PowerPoint first. Apakah sudah terlihat?
Sudah, miss.
Jadi, basically, descriptive text is a text that describes something. That something mentioned in this definition can take the form of anything, be it a person, animal, plant, object, place, and so on. The function of descriptive text is it can be seen that descriptive text has two functions. The first is describing something, and the second is provide an explanation of something in detail. And the characteristic of descriptive text, it can be seen that descriptive text has two characteristics that are used in simple present tense and focus on object and describe it specifically. And the last, the structure of descriptive text. There are two parts to the structure of descriptive text is namely identification and description. In identification is an introduction or general description of the topic or object to be discussed. And description is a section that contains a detailed explanation of the object that has been introduced in the identification section. This explanation can be in the form of characteristic, appearance, nature, a quantity, and so on. Okay, I will show you example of descriptive text. Okay, student, who wants to read the paragraph 1 and 2? Okay, Ari.
Visiting Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is the collective name for three waterfalls that cross the international border between the Canadian province of Ontario and the USA state of New York. They form the southern end of the Niagara Gorge. From largest to smallest, the three waterfalls are the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Falls lie on the Canadian side and the American Falls on the American side. They are separated by God Island. The smallest Bridal Veil Falls are also located on the American side, separated from the other waterfalls by Luna Island. There are various attractions that people can enjoy in Niagara Falls. 6 of them are described here. The first to enjoy in Niagara Falls is Cave of the Winds. This attraction will help people get closer to the falls and go face to face with the boiling waters of the falls. People can get soaked on the hurricane deck where they are just feet from the thundering waters, but waterproof clothing and sandals are provided. A trip at night when the falls are illuminated in a rainbow of color is really amazing.
Okay, good, Ari.
Sudah,
Who wants to read paragraph 3 and 4?
I, Miss.
Okay, Nanda.
The second charm in Might of the Mist boat tour, it is a world-famous sign boat tour of the American and Canadian Falls for about half-hour ride. People may access the tour via the observation tower elevator at Prospect Point in the state park. The boat operates May until late October. The next to visit in Niagara Falls is Niagara Adventure Theater. Here, tourists might enjoy the most powerful and influencing film experience that bring reality to life on a 45-foot screen. Audience members are given the privilege to discover the thundering fall from a completely new and exhilarating perspective and plunge over them. The theater, show, hourly, and free multi-language headsets are made available.
Okay, good, Nanda. Next paragraph, 6 and 5. Who wants to read? Okay, Lydia.
Niagara Science Museum is another place to visit. It is a sanctuary for the preservation and appreciation of old science instruments and philosophical apparatus. The Niagara Falls are renowned both of their beauty and as a valuable source of hydroelectric power. Managing the balance between recreational, commercial, and industrial uses has been a challenge for the steward of the falls since the 19th century. The fifth point of interest is Niagara's Wax Museum of History. Here life-size wax figures portraying dramatic history of Niagara Falls are presented to guests. They can see Fort Niagara Scene, Indian Village, Old Store, Blacksmith and Barbershop Scene, and how electricity is made. Wax figure of Julia Roberts, Princess Diana, and many more are displayed here too.
Okay, nice, Lydia. And the last paragraph, who wants Ray to read again?
I, Miss.
Okay, Nanda.
Finally, people can also enjoy Rainbow Air Helicopter tour above and around the American and Canadian Falls. The tour starts from downtown next to the entrance to the Rainbow Bridge and open from 9 a.m. to dusk when weather permits. The tour operates every day from second weekend in May until October 31. Thank you.
Okay, good, Nanda. Okay, next, let's take a look at this picture. After you read the descriptive text above, You will match the picture with the text that has been bolded in the descriptive text paragraph above. We will start from the first picture. In a paragraph 2, what is written in bold? Anyone know? Ada yang mau coba?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Ari, silakan.
In paragraph 2, the sentence in bold is Cape of the Winds. The answer is F.
Okay, good, Ari. The next picture. Who wants to try? Okay, Lydia.
In paragraph 3, the sentence in bold is made of the mist boat tour. The answer is B.
Okay, good, Lydia. The next picture is paragraph 5. Who wants to try?
I miss.
Yes, Nanda.
In the paragraph 5, the sentence in bold is Niagara Science Museum. The answer is A.
Okay, nice, Nanda. Who wants to try answer again? In a paragraph 6, the sentence in bold is Niagara Walks Museum of History. What is the answer? Okay, Lydia.
The answer is E.
Okay, good, Lydia. The last one, who wants to try? Okay, Nanda. Nanda masih di mute.
Okay, sorry, Miss.
It's okay.
In the paragraph 7, the sentence in bold is Niagara Science Museum. The answer is D.
Okay, good job. Semua bisa menjawab dengan baik ya. Okay, student, now it's time for you to answer the question on the worksheets. I will send it to WhatsApp group. The rule is fill in the following sentence using the word in the box. I will be given 5 minutes to answer. Is that okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Apakah sudah selesai semuanya?
Saya belum, Miss.
Oke, Miss tambah lagi 2 minutes. Is it okay?
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, have you finished answering?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay, I will share screen first. The question. Apakah sudah terlihat?
Sudah, Miss.
Now, who want answer question number 1? Okay, Nanda?
Waves are blah 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 against the pier. You can hear the sound very clearly. The answer is pounding.
Okay, good. Next question. Who wants to try? Okay, Lydia?
In the morning, the small town is covered in mist.
Okay, good, Lydia. Next question.
Saya Miss.
Okay, Ari?
Expose sadar blah 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 through photos in the internet. They inspire you to come and visit. The answer is course.
Nice, Ari. Next question, number 4.
Saya Miss.
Okay, Lydia.
Her shoes got blah 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 as she walked through the wet grass. The answer is sock.
Okay, good, Lydia. Next question, number 5.
Saya Miss.
Okay, Ari, silakan.
Don't forget to bring your blah 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 jacket. It's dark outside. It's likely going to rain. The answer is waterproof.
Okay, good, Ari. The next, number 6.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Nanda.
Somerset, blah blah blah, helped her forget her complicated problems. The answer is attraction.
Okay, good, Nanda. Next question, who wants to try again?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Nanda.
Cristiano Ronaldo come to Bali to campaign for the blah 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 of the environment. The answer is preservation.
Okay, good, Nanda. The next question, number 8. Who wants to try?
Saya Miss.
Okay, Lydia.
The street lights go on at blah blah blah. Without the light, car driver cannot see the traffic in front of them. The answer is dust.
Okay, nice. Next question, number 9.
Saya Miss.
Okay, Ari.
Look at that side. And blah 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 sign flash on and off. The answer is illuminated.
Okay, nice. The last question, who wants to try?
Saya Miss.
Okay, Lydia.
This is a region of blah 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 beauty. All areas are covered with the trees, clean water flows, uninterrupted, and fresh air fills the sky. The answer is scenic.
Okay, nice. Good job, guys. Now, I want all of you to work on creating descriptive text. We will discuss it later. I will give you 5 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, time's up. Anyone who want to show the result of the descriptive text?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Lydia, silakan.
Hello, my name is Putu Dedelvia. My number is 22. My title is Pink Beach. Pink Beach or Pantai Merah Muda is one of the beaches in Komodo Island, East Nusa Tenggara. The beach is called Pink Beach because the sand beach is pink. The pink color of its beach is a mixture of white sand beach color mixed with crushed coral, shell, calcium carbonate from marine invertebrates that are very small, and also foraminifera, microscopic amoeba that has a red body shell. At Pink Beach, there are so many marine organisms, no fewer than a thousand species of fish, 260 species of coral, and 70 species of sponge can be found here. Having so much marine life, this place is a proper spot for snorkeling and diving for sea sport lovers.
Wow, what a good descriptive text. Lydia, can you share screen your descriptive text?
Oke, Miss, tunggu ya.
Baik. Okay, thank you, Lydia, for share screen. I have a question. Does anyone know which one is the identification and description of the one made by Lydia? Okay, Hari.
So in the paragraph 1 is the identification, and in the paragraph 2 is description.
Good answer, Ari. Good job, student. All of you are doing great today. It's enough for today's lesson. I will give you homework in WhatsApp group. So next week we gonna discuss it. I hope no one forget to answer. Sebelum kelas diakhiri, silakan ketua kelas lead the prayer.
Okay, Miss. Everyone, please pray according to your respective beliefs. Okay, finish.
Okay, goodbye all. See you next week.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you.
Thank you,
Goodbye, Miss.
Miss.